Spartan tattoos are not just designs inked on skin. They are symbols of power, discipline, fearlessness, and warrior spirit. Inspired by the legendary Spartan soldiers of ancient Greece, these tattoos represent strength, sacrifice, brotherhood, and an unbreakable mindset. In this video, we showcase 63 powerful Spartan tattoo designs, each carrying deep meaning and bold visual impact. Whether you are a tattoo lover, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who lives by warrior principles, Spartan tattoos are a perfect choice. Let's dive into the world of warriors. Spartans were known as the most fearless warriors in ancient history. They trained from childhood, lived disciplined lives, and believed in honor above everything else. Spartan tattoos symbolize strength and endurance, courage and sacrifice, loyalty and brotherhood, never backing down, mental toughness. These tattoos are especially popular among men, soldiers, athletes, gym lovers, and people who follow a warrior lifestyle. The Spartan helmet is the most iconic design. It represents protection, readiness for battle, warrior mindset. Some designs show minimalist black helmets, detailed realistic metal textures, cracked or battle-worn helmets, helmet with red plume. These tattoos look powerful on torso, biceps, shoulders, chest, and calves. Full Spartan warrior tattoos are bold and aggressive. These designs usually include Spartan soldier holding a spear, shield with battle scars, angry warrior expressions, muscular warrior body. Realistic and 3D Spartan warriors are perfect for the full sleeves, back tattoos, and chest pieces. They symbolize dominance, leadership, and fearless attitude. The Spartan shield represents defense and unity. In ancient times, losing your shield meant losing your honor. Common shield designs include shield with Greek patterns, shield with warrior scratches, shield combined with sword or spear. Sword tattoos symbolize readiness to fight for what matters. These designs work well on marihin, forearms, triceps, and ribs. Spartan tattoos often include powerful quotes like, "Melon Labe, come and take it," "Strength and honor," "Warrior by birth." Greek symbols, alphabets, and ancient patterns add a deeper meaning. These tattoos are ideal for minimalist lovers who want strong meaning with simple design. The lion represents courage, leadership, and dominance, qualities every Spartan lived by. Popular designs include Spartan helmet with lion face, half Spartan, half lion design, lion roaring behind the warrior. These tattoos symbolize king energy and are perfect for the chest, thigh, and shoulder tattoos. Some Spartan tattoos have darker themes. Skull-wearing Spartan helmet, dead warrior symbolism, smoke and shadow effects. These designs represent fearlessness towards death and complete commitment to battle. Perfect for people who love dark realism. Tattoos, Spartan tattoos look amazing in black and gray realism, fine line minimal style, heavy shading and contrast, red accent ink. Best placements include full arm sleeves, upper chest, back tattoos, legs and calves. Each of these 63 designs reflects different warrior emotions: rage, focus, courage, sacrifice, and victory. Which Spartan tattoo design did you like the most? Tell us in the comments below. For more powerful tattoo ideas, meanings, and unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Tattoo 18. Stay strong, stay fearless, live like a Spartan.
Stand tall, never gonna fall. Determination in our eyes, we'll rise above it all. Stand tall with the challenge we face. We stand proud and chase. Aim high. Aim high. From every setback, we find strength to attack. Oh yeah. Rise up, rise up, rise up. We gonna climb up the top. Rise up, elevate and never stop. we grow. Stand in the light, shine bright, ignite. In darkness we're the dawn, pushing on, oh yes. Push through, fight another round. No mountain high enough to keep us down. Push through, we've got the power, see it grow by the hour. Strong hearts, push through. Strong hearts, one step at a time. Ring the bell, it's our climb. Stand clear, stand tall, never gonna fall. Determination in our eyes, we'll rise above it all. Stand tall with the challenge we face. We stand proud and chase.